Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with another video over the topic the bacteria. So let us firstly discuss about what are the prokaryotes. Now prokaryotes is a word that is made up of two words, that is pro and karyon. Pro means before and karyon means kernel or the nucleus. In other words, we can say the prokaryotes are the one that have a sort of primitive type of nucleus, that is no nuclear membrane, no membrane bound organelles were present in these cells. So basically in 1969 R.H. Whittaker classified organisms under 5 kingdom, and he gave the 5 kingdom system of classification: kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Fungi, and the kingdom Animalia. Now, under this kingdom Monera, bacteria were the sole members of this kingdom. Now, bacteria can be classified on the basis of their shapes as cocci, rod, vibrio, spirilla, and spirochetes. When cocci divide, cells can remain attached to one another. Cocci that remain in pair after dividing are called the diplococci, and the ones that divide and remain attached in a chain-like pattern, they are called the streptococci. As mentioned, so this is the diagram of the streptococci, that is the type of cocci that divide and remain attached in a chain-like pattern. So this is mentioned here, as you all can see. Those bacteria that divide in multiple planes and form grape-like clusters are the staphylococci. So, streptococci, diplococci, staphylococci, all explained. Next we have the bacteria that have a rod shape of structure. They are termed as the bacillus or the rod-like bacteria. One of the most important example, Bacillus anthracis, that is the causative agent of anthrax. As mentioned in the figure, this is the Bacillus anthracis. So next in queue, we have the bacterium that look like curved rods, or we can say comma shaped. They are the vibrios one. The vibrio one. One example is the vibrio cholerae. Next in queue, we have the spirilla. These are the ones that are helical and very much rigid in nature. As mentioned in the figure, you can see the Campylobacter jejuni. Another kind of group of bacteria are the ones that are helical but they are flexible. These are termed as the spirochetes. For example, Leptospira interrogans, as you can see in the diagram I have mentioned. So this is Leptospira interrogans, an example of spirochetes. Another point to be noticed is that there are some bacteria like the Corynebacterium that have many shapes and they lack a single characteristic shape. So these bacteria are called the pleomorphic, and according to the definition of pleomorphism in context to bacteriology, it is based on the variation of shape of cell rather than a change of shape. So that's all for this lecture. Stay tuned for the next lecture. Thank you.